Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the Viblo AI video generator. So this tool lets you turn a written prompt or a still image into a short video without filming anything. It can be useful for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, ads, and other visual content. So after signing into Viblo AI, open the AI video generator from the main menu, and then you will see a prompt box where you can describe the video that you want to create. So for better results, include the subject, action, location, camera movement, lighting, and visual style. So for example, you can enter a cinematic close-up of a small robot walking through a rainy city street at night. Colorful lights reflecting on the ground, slow camera movement, and realistic details. Next, choose the AI model, video duration, and other available settings, and you can use the faster model when testing an idea. While a higher quality model may give better movement and details, but may also use more credits. But select the one that you prefer. After that, select the correct aspect ratio. Choose 9:60 for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, and 16:9 for regular YouTube videos. You may also be able to adjust the resolution and turn audio generation on or off. And it's usually better to generate one video first because this helps you save credits and then improve the prompt before creating more versions. Once the settings are ready, click generate and then wait for Viblo to process the video. And when the video is ready, review the results, and if something looks wrong, improve the prompt and then generate it again. So for image to video, upload a JPEG or a PNG file and then describe the movement that you want, such as a slow zoom or a gentle background motion. Also check your remaining credits because longer videos, audio, and higher quality models may use more. And once you are happy with the result, click the download button to save the video to your device. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.